Hi, I'm going to show you how you can add an activity and assign it to your class. So you can click the green add button up here, and you can click assign activity. It will take you to your library. These are all things that I have previously saved. You can click community and search for all these different activities. So you can choose what grade level you want to do. So I can do Then I'm looking for kindergarten. Maybe I want to focus on different phonics skills, and it will give me a whole bunch of kindergarten phonics skills. So if I want my students to practice short O, I could click on it, I can heart it, and that will save it to my library, or I can just click assign, and then I pick what class. So after you create a profile, it will show you. So you can click the class, assign to one class, and it is assigned to the students. I like to create a choice board for them, and then you can get the student link and copy of it, and I've set and put it into your choice board. I've also just directly put it onto Google Classroom. Whatever you like to use in your classroom, the students can directly go to it, and then they complete the activity. The directions are there. It will read it to them, and then they fill it out. It's an awesome resource, and it's a great tool to use to enhance student learning.